Do you want to save money without giving up on things that you love? Here are 5 simple hacks to save money effortlessly. First, we'll start with grocery shopping. I don't know about you, but groceries has gone up a lot. So hack number 1, smart grocery shopping. Shop with a grocery list. Make a list, and then make another list. Okay? It cuts back and it keeps you on track. When you go up to that register, you won't be surprised when you stick with a grocery list. Next, we'll talk about cleaning products. I don't know about you, but for me, these nowadays all-purpose cleaners, they are expensive. So whenever I'm doing a deep clean, I do a DIY with baking soda and vinegar and some water first. I use that to do the heavy cleaning. Then I'll top off with a store-bought brand, which more than likely is eco-friendly. I stick with lavender scent, sage, linen fresh, or something citrusy. That usually works. And it prevents you from using too much products at first. So I get a rag, mix up some vinegar, baking soda, do the heavy wiping down, scrub down. Then I get a store-bought brand with one of the scents that I love and just do a quick wipe down. And it doesn't take a lot of products, and you will be surprised how much money that will save you. Let me know in the comment section what flavor or scents do you like to use in your house. And do you use one during the wintertime and a different one for spring and summertime just to lighten up the scent depending on the season? Let me know in the comment section what you like. All right, so let's dive down into our grocery shopping a little bit more, and I'll give you some hack and tip. When you get groceries, there are a lot of reward programs like Ibotta and Fresh, or sometimes your credit cards. I'm not telling you to use credit cards when you're shopping, or if you do, make sure you pay the balance in full, please. But a lot of them, they will actually credit you money when you buy certain brands or certain products. So I always download one of those apps, and guess what? That's how I earn money to go to Starbucks every month. I take a picture of my receipts no matter what I buy on Ibotta, and I'll put the link down in my description box, and you'll be surprised. In no time, my points stack up, and that's how I get free points to go get Starbucks, because you know Starbucks is expensive. I also do a lot of mega discount shopping, like going to Sam's Club, Costco. Some people go to BJ's. A lot of supermarkets, they offer the 3-for-1 deal, or you could do coupon shopping. But don't forget, when you buy in bulk, a lot of time you save, especially when you have children. The next hack we'll talk about is utility bills. Utilities are expensive, especially when you have kids. They turn every light on, they leave the water running for hours, and multiple gadgets plugged in at once. So one tip to lower my bill, I turn off light. I'll go around and I turn off light switch. Also, I will lower my thermostat. Keep your thermostat at a comfortable setting. For us, we use a different one for wintertime and a different one for summertime. So during the wintertime, we keep it at 68. I tell my kids, go put some socks on, wrap up with a blanket, dress according to the weather. During the summertime, wear lighter clothing, and I keep the house at about 70. And it usually works out, and you'll see a huge significance. Also, make sure that your windows and doors are eco-friendly, where they're not wasting energy. Also, energy-saving bulbs. Switch out your bulbs. It is worth it. And you'll be surprised how you could cut back your energy or your utility bill by half. So don't forget, this is how you could lower your utility bills. Just simple changes. Also, the water temperature. Don't keep it on a high temperature, especially if you have kids. It's a safety precaution for them. But just lower that temperature down. Meal prep. I meal prep and I meal plan a lot, and it saves so much money. When you know you could just come home and right away there's meal ready in the fridge, I stick to budget-friendly meals, stuff like pasta. I get the kids involved. I cook rice. You know, I'm from Jamaica. We make like a lot of flour dumplings. And I cook a lot of chicken, meatballs, I make spaghetti sauce, I do a lot of steamed veggies, and I just make all these different containers of meal. And also because you're not cooking every day, it cuts back because you're cooking in bulk. So I cook, and then each child is assigned a color dish, and they know what color is theirs. And I try to cook 3 different types of meal incorporated and put these meals together, and they love it. And so when I'm tired and I'm on my way, instead of be like, oh, I can't be bothered with cooking, I just tell my kids, look in the fridge, grab a meal, heat it up until I get there, or grab a meal, heat it up, let's go. And they eat it while they're in the car. That way I don't have to hear, Mommy, I'm hungry. So you could see I show pictures of the different colors and different meals that I put. And because I cook in bulk, it cut back on the gas. It works. Trust me when I say this works. The next tip, which I'll talk about, is repurposing stuff. Look at this old umbrella. You could turn it into a nice decorative piece for your yard. You have old t-shirts, use them as wash rags, use them to wash your car. Some people prefer to go buy brand new stuff to do these chores, but remember, they're gonna get dirty, especially if you're washing your car or you're just cleaning up the house. Use an old t-shirt. I also reuse my mason jars. I love mason jars, by the way, but you could drink from them, store stuff in them. You could also use them as decorative vase when you're doing decoration. So hope you like these money saving tips. I'm telling you, within like 3 months, I saved so much money. So hope these tips work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me for more tips. Thanks for watching.